Today we'll be calling Officer Richard Thomas.
Come on up.
I have to use this now.
Welcome. Please raise your right hand. You swear affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear.
Thank you so much. Let you adjust the microphone. If you would, state your full legal name.
My full name is Richard Cole Thomas.
Thank you.
Officer Thomas, what agency do you work for?
The Hall County Sheriff's Office.
How long have you been with Hall County for?
3.5 years.
And were you called out to 4238 Bay Ridge Drive on March 8th, 2025?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Do you remember about what time that was?
I believe it was around, can I look at my notes? Grab my report?
If that would help refresh your recollection.
That was around 1 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, so about 1 a.m. on March 8th, 2025. And were you alone or did you have another officer with you?
I had another officer with me,
What was that officer's name?
Deputy Martin.
And what happened when you got on scene?
Whenever we arrived on scene, we noticed there was 2 bullet holes in the upper window. We started knocking on the door, announcing sheriff's office and whoever was inside to come down. We weren't getting a response at first, but eventually we did have someone come down.
And who came down?
Sorry to interrupt. At this time, we'll invoke the rule. I see the state's got several witnesses still in the courtroom.
So if you're going to testify on the Jackson Deno matter, ask that you remain out in the hallway, do not discuss the case. Anytime anyone's asked to go out in the hallway, it includes don't get on streaming, etc. Thank you.
So who came out of the residence?
Suzanne Mericle.
And is Suzanne the defendant sitting at defense table?
Yes, ma'am, she is.
And what was her demeanor like when she came out of the residence?
She was screaming, yelling. She wasn't making much sense. I asked her for her name and she wasn't able to give it. She just kept yelling and screaming. Sometimes it was random. Sometimes she just kept screaming, "He's dead." Anytime I would ask her name or try and find out anything that happened, if there was anyone else in the house, she wasn't able to respond.
And were you wearing body cam when you responded to this incident?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Was that body cam audio and video recording?
Yes, ma'am, it was.
And have you had a chance to watch that body cam prior to today?
I have watched some of it. I have not reviewed the entire 3 hours, though.
And that was going to be my next question. How long were you on scene from the time you arrived to the time that you left? How long do you think that was?
It was around 3 hours.
And does your body cam capture the entirety of your time on scene that day?
Yes, ma'am, it does.
And Judge, at this time, I'd move to admit Officer Thomas's body cam into evidence and publish for your honor.
No objection.
States 1.
Oh, yes, Judge, it states 1.
All right, this is States 1 for the motion hearing is admitted.
When you were, thank you, Your Honor. When you were,
Are you planning on playing now?
I was going to ask a couple
Okay.
questions and then play, Judge. I'm just kind of queuing it up. When you were speaking with the defendant, where was Deputy Martin? Was he with you as well, or did he go somewhere else?
No, ma'am, he was inside the residence.
And so while he was inside of the residence, were you the only officer that was outside with the defendant, or were there other officers that were with you outside of the residence?
I was the only one out there.
Did you attempt to ask the defendant any questions as far as like what was going on while you were out there with her?
I asked general questions just to determine a baseline of what happened. At one point, she made a statement and said he tried to shoot me, or he
Okay.
pointed a gun at me. I asked her to elaborate on that, which again, she did not do.
Did you find it difficult when you would ask a question that she would even respond to your question?
Yes, she would not respond to my questions.
At this point, was Ms. Mericle, was she under arrest?
No, ma'am, she was not.
Did you, at that point, have any reason to believe that you needed to arrest her at that point?
Not at that point.
Did you, at any point, tell her she was under arrest while you were standing outside with her?
No, ma'am, I did not.
I'm gonna go ahead and play States 1. And Judge, I will say, obviously this body cam is like over 3 hours. I've talked with defense. I'm just gonna hit play and watch for some time and then I'm gonna stop it. If defense wants me to keep playing, we can do that. But that's my plan right now, Judge.
Well, so we're here on defense's motion on Jackson Deno.
Correct.
Is there a specific area that we need to focus in on?
I don't know, Judge.
Well, that's what I'm asking
Yeah.
then.
Well, there's several things, Judge, with respect to the custody aspect as well as to the free and voluntariness of the waiver that happens later, which relates back to the custody issue.
Okay, I understand that, but what I'm asking is, I don't see any need to watch a 3-hour
Oh, no,
video.
no.
So if there are certain parts that we need to pay close attention to, then let's pay close attention to it. Do
Yes,
you know
sir.
where those might be?
Well, I think that the part she's going to play, which shows the initial detention in our position, is relevant. And then obviously the interrogation or the interview that happens later with Investigator Mefford.
All right, y'all work together on where we need to go.
Yes, Judge.
Thank you.
I'm going to hit play at the beginning of States 1. And I am actually going to fast forward a little bit, Judge, until the defendant comes out of the residence.
I'm not going to require you to call out each thing, but when you
Yes,
get to I would say a germane part, go ahead and call it out.
Yes, Judge. Trying to make sure the audio is all queued up. So I'm going to hit play at 1 minute and 56 seconds.
She's covering the door. Lies on, and she's coming to the door.
Okay. Hey, ma'am, step out here. What's going on? Step out here.
Suzanne Radio, copy 62728.
Yeah, right over there.
Come over here.
Over there.
Over here. Come over here.
Tag Sierra, Sierra Delta 34.
Come over here with me.
3410. Second launch towards Tag Sierra Hotel Charlie 4742.
Hey, ma'am, tell me what's going on. Is anyone else in the house?
Yes, I think he's dead.
Who's dead? What happened?
She just came to the door.
My boyfriend.
Ma'am, hey, stay with her.
Yeah.
We're gonna go inside, all right?
He needs an ambulance.
Okay, we're about to do that now.
Oh my God.
Hey, ma'am, can you tell me what happened? Do you know if there's anybody else in the house? Anything that we should know about?
Can I
Just stay here with me for right now, okay? We're trying to figure out what's going on.
help me. I think he's dead. Oh my God.
What's that? First tags 2024 Kia Telluride, James Barron, that address.
Can you tell me anything about what's happened tonight?
Second,
Who's dead? What happened?
Porsche Bacon, black in color. Confirming Sam Henry Charlie 4742.
I think he's dead. Oh my God. God help me. Oh my God. Oh my God, he's dead. Help me, I feel a pulse. We got him in huge fight. Oh my God! Oh my God! I think he's dead. I think he died. I think he. Oh my God!
Can you tell me anything about what happened? Do you know what happened? Do you know if anyone else is in the house?
No, can I get some water?
Just stay here with me for right now, okay? They're
I
in
can't
the
even
house.
talk. He's dead. He's dead. There's blood everywhere. He had a gun.
Someone said they're going to shoot you?
4130 up front.
Okay.
I can't talk.
Okay, we have paramedics coming. They're going to be able to help you out a little bit, okay?
I'm gonna get the walk.
Are you hurt at all?
I don't think I got. I didn't get hit. It went past me.
Are you 4120?
Oh my God! Look, he's dead. There's blood. Oh my God, he's dead. I know he is.
Hey,
I gotta
you can't go back inside right now, okay?
Oh
You have to
my
stay
God,
out here
he's
with me.
dead. Oh my God. Oh my God.
4140 radio, can you show me tonight?
Oh, wait.
So she's really manic. She's not even really, she's not able to answer my questions. She's kind of freaking out a little bit. I guess there's,
4216, 4110. Do you still need additional or can I 1039?
I guess there's someone in the house I
I
shot.
don't need any additional units. 4110 radio, have on call person, place me at 21.
Yeah, if you could, like, if the inside is clear to enter, they're going to take
Is he still alive?
Is he upstairs?
Yes, I don't think he.
And then as far as she, I don't know if you guys can do anything for her or not. She's,
And monitor, and the monitor.
hey, are you injured at all, ma'am? Did you get hurt? Did you get shot? Did you get
I got
cut?
blood on me, but I think.
Start another menu.
Thank you.
I gotta have some water.
Hey, do you guys have any water?
I have some in my refrigerator.
I understand, but I can't let you go
Dear
inside
God,
right now,
help me.
okay?
Oh my God. I'm in shock. Can I call somebody?
You just need to sit here
Can
with
you
your.
give me water?
I gotta stay here with you, okay?
I don't think it. Oh my God. I don't think it. Oh my God. Ah! Oh. Oh my God! Oh my God! I wish. No, I won't! What is happening?
Fire EMS is starting to CPR now, so
We got this.
to go over.
Huge fight! Oh my, I'm in shock! Oh my God!
Cornelia Highway, Little Road, toward the 40 control.
Hey, ma'am, I need you to stay over here, okay? Ma'am, I need you to stay over here, okay? I can't let you go back inside the house.
Tell him to alive!
They're working on them right now, okay? But I can't let you go back inside.
To 4117. Go ahead. Go ahead, Sergeant. Go ahead, flash me. If I said 22
Ma'am, can you step back over here with me?
I need you to help him.
I need you to step back over here.
Oh my God.
Can you tell me anything that happened?
Oh my God. I want him alive. Tell me if he is. Oh my God. He had a gun.
He had a gun? Did he, what did he do with it? Did he shoot himself?
No. I didn't.
Hey, ma'am? Ma'am. Hey. 4130, 4110. Can you send EMS down here for me? I think she's having some kind of panic attack. She's laying on the floor.
4131, you clear on that traffic?
Hey, ma'am? Ma'am,
4131, radio,
breathe?
flash traffic. Females on the ground having possible panic attack. Request fire side to check her out.
Oh my God.
5323, also more.
Tell me he was gonna shoot. I can't talk.
Okay, we have paramedics that are gonna come and check you out, okay? Did he say he was gonna hurt, did he say he was gonna shoot you? Is that what happened with the gun? Did he point it at you? So he said he was gonna shoot you with a gun. So you, what happened after that? Just take the,
Oh, we can't go in there right now.
you can go back inside.
Have a seat. They're gonna come check you, okay? We can't allow anyone inside right now, right?
I can't even talk. Oh my God! No, tell me about him. Is he dead? I can feel the balls on him.
Hey ma'am, if you'll do me a favor and just breathe. They're getting ready to transport him up to the hospital.
Is he alive?
Ma'am,
Is he alive?
ma'am, take a breath. Breathe for a second. Breathe. They're getting ready to transport him to the hospital, okay?
Is he alive? Please tell me.
I'm gonna stop it at 13:55, Judge. I noticed she asked for water a couple of times. Do you end up getting her water?
We did, I believe, I can't remember exactly when we were able to, but as soon as the scene was safe and it was secure, I believe here in a few minutes we're able to get her some water. I tried to ask the EMS if they had some, and they didn't have any either.
Do you remember if it was a cup of water, a whole water bottle?
I think it was a water bottle.
Okay.
I can't remember 100% though.
And essentially, we've seen about 13 minutes of the body cam. Is this, generally speaking, the contact that you had with the defendant for the duration of your time on scene?
Yes, ma'am.
At some point, does EMS come to check the defendant out?
Yes, ma'am, they did.
And what do you do while they're doing that?
I sit back and I let them do their thing and let them check her out and make sure that she's okay.
Were you standing there while EMS was checking her out?
I was.
Was she able to answer their questions as far as her own physical health and well-being and everything like that?
She was still pretty rattled, as far as I recall. I can't remember exactly how the conversation with EMS went with her, but it was mostly like this with her the entire time that I was on scene.
Did they offer or suggest that she be transported for any sort of medical purposes?
Yes, ma'am, they did.
Did she accept that transport, or did she decline to be transported to the hospital?
She declined to be transported.
And I see that you are keeping her from going inside of the residence. Why is that?
It's both for obviously officer safety purposes. We know there's firearms involved. We know there could be other firearms in the house somewhere. I have 2 other officers that are in there. The last thing I need is for her to go in there and cause an issue. It's also for her safety. She's in a very manic state. There's no telling exactly what's going to happen if I just let her go off on her own. She is also a threat to herself and also for evidence preservation.
And at this point, did you have any idea what was going inside as far as victims, how many people, what happened inside the residence? Did you have any idea?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Did you, at this point, like, you were asking her some questions as far as like what happened. At that point in this body cam, did you have any idea that she had shot the individual inside, or did you know what happened?
No, all I know is that someone had been shot. I didn't know if it was self-inflicted or if it wasn't.
At any point, did you offer her any slight hope of benefit in order for her to speak with you or make any of those statements to you?
No, ma'am, I did not.
And did you see anyone on scene, any other officers on scene, offer her any sort of benefit to get her to speak with you?
Not that I observed, no, ma'am.
At any point, did you threaten or coerce her to make any statements to you?
No, ma'am, I did not.
At any point, did you withhold? I know she was asking for water. You were able to get her some. At any point, did you ever withhold any water from her?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Did she ever ask you for food that you withheld from her?
No, ma'am.
Did she ever ask if she could use the restroom, or did you restrict any other sort of bodily functions from her?
I did not.
At some point, do investigators get on scene?
Yes, ma'am, they do.
Do you remember what investigator that was?
It was Investigator Medford.
And does Investigator Medford talk with her on scene?
Briefly.
Are you there when he's speaking with her?
Yes, ma'am.
And at some point, do you and the defendant leave the scene?
Yes, ma'am, we do.
And why is that?
She was voluntarily going up to the Hall County Sheriff's Office, Law Enforcement Center, to talk to the investigators.
And at that point, when she went to the Law Enforcement Center, was she under arrest?
No, ma'am, she was not.
At that point, did anyone have any idea what had happened on scene that night?
They were starting to get a better picture, but this is pretty much as far as we knew so far.
Did you ever, were there ever any statements made to her about whether or not she was under arrest at that time?
Not at that time, no, ma'am.
Was she ever handcuffed?
No, ma'am.
So how did she get to the Law Enforcement Center?
I put her in the back of my patrol car without being handcuffed. I made it abundantly clear that we were not going to the jail. She voluntarily went to the Law Enforcement Center. I transported her up there and then left her in the care of the investigators.
We see that she's wearing like a gray sweatsuit right now while you're speaking with her. Is that the clothes that she was wearing when you left to go to the Law Enforcement Center, or was she wearing something different?
She changed in between.
Was that something that she asked to do, or was that something that law enforcement asked her to do?
I believe it was something that she asked to do.
So she asked if she could change?
I believe so.
And was she allowed to go inside and change into different clothes?
Yes, ma'am, she was.
And on your way to the Law Enforcement Center, did you ever ask her any questions or try and get any more information from her as far as what happened that night?
No, ma'am, I did not.
And on your way to the Law Enforcement Center, did you ever threaten or coerce her to get her to make statements to Investigator Medford at the Law Enforcement Center?
No, ma'am, I did not.
And at any point, did you suggest any slight hope of benefit to her if she did agree to speak with Investigator Medford at the Law Enforcement Center?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Once you get to the Law Enforcement Center, what do? How do you get from your patrol car to the interview room?
So originally, I was still during FTO during this time. I didn't know exactly which room to go to. I went up to the third floor because there was an office up there, and that was closed off to me. I didn't have access to it. I went down to the second floor, and I also didn't have key card access there. And then I met an investigator down back in the parking lot, and we went up the left side and went to the second floor, and he let me in.
So this whole time while you're walking around trying to get into the interview room, is the defendant freely walking around with you?
Yes, ma'am.
And is she handcuffed at this point?
No, ma'am.
Do you ever, I'm assuming you had a firearm on scene when you arrived.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you ever take your firearm out of its holster?
No, ma'am.
From the time you got on scene to the time that you left the defendant in the interview room, did you ever take any weapons out in front of the defendant?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Don't believe I have any other questions for this officer right now, Judge. Would you go ahead and state your name?
Investigator Matthew Mefford,
And what agency do you work for?
the Hall County Sheriff's Office.
In what capacity do you work for Hall County?
I'm an investigator with Criminal Investigations Bureau.
And were you involved with the investigation against Suzanne Mericle?
Yes,
Did you arrive on scene on the morning of March 8th, 2025?
yes.
Do you remember what time it was that you arrived on scene?
I was called around 1:30, hospital 2:15. And I know the search warrant, I was finished writing the search warrant somewhere around 3:30. I don't remember exactly when I got there.
So somewhere between 1:30 and 3.
Yes,
Was the defendant still on scene when you got there?
yes.
Where was she when you arrived?
On the front porch or the front landing in front of the front door.
When you arrived on scene, did you attempt to speak with her first, or did you go inside first?
I went inside first, I believe.
And then at some point, do you go back outside and speak with the defendant?
Yes.
And what was the purpose of your conversation with her?
I wanted to know what happened. I was trying to get her to come speak with me in a more controlled environment and just have a conversation about what happened.
Were you, when you say a more controlled environment, why is it that you wouldn't want to speak with her on the front porch?
Because I prepared a search warrant for the residents, and they were about to process that. And with the nature of what was going on in the blood and everything, that was more of a distraction to everybody involved.
Was the deceased victim still on scene when you arrived?
No,
So as far as your search warrant, had that already been signed by a judge?
it was in the process of being signed.
And was your understanding that somebody, once that search warrant was signed, another investigator was going to be coming out to process the residents in the crime scene?
Yes,
And typically in a murder investigation, would you interview any witnesses or people on scene there, or would you try and remove them to a different location?
try to remove them to a different location.
Do you know, when you spoke with the defendant on scene, was there an officer standing there with you, a patrol officer?
Yes,
And was your conversation with her captured on Bodycam?
yes.
Judge, I'm going to need the monitor again. Thank you. I'm going to fast forward a little bit, Your Honor, until Investigator Mefford comes in. I'll
Like he said.
timestamp.
Best place. Best place.
I'm gonna hit play at 2 hours, 12 minutes, and 50 seconds, Judge, on States 1.
Ready, 40%, yes, 10-4.
Ma'am? You know Suzanne, right? What do you like me to call it? Sue, Suzanne, Susie? Suzanne? All right, Suzanne, I introduced myself earlier. My name's Matt. I was wondering if we could have a conversation. Would you be willing to come to my office with me? It's warm there. I'll be able to get you some water.
I don't want to go anywhere.
You don't want to come to my office? It's warmer
I
there.
don't want to go anywhere.
Will you please come to my office with me?
Can I just stay here?
It's warmer there, and I like it. It's better that way.
I don't want to go anywhere.
Okay. It'd be a lot better, but like I said, we can go there.
No, I don't want to go anywhere.
Where would you like to talk to me at then?
This way.
Can we go sit in a car or something?
Why can't we talk right here?
It's cold, and I'd like to sit down
Why
and
can't we talk right there?
Well, they're about to take, I'm gonna have somebody take some photos and stuff. I'll explain that whole process to you.
I don't want to go.
So you don't want to go at all? Oh.
Is he alive?
He's up right now. He's at the hospital, and like I said,
That means he's alive. I need to know.
honestly, I'm here with you. I have somebody going there to check, and I'm here with you, and that's why I'd like to talk to you about what's going on. I'd like to have a sit down and be able to have a conversation, but right here, it's just not the best place.
A couple weeks ago, we had a fight about the same thing. And he threatened me. And I got in my car and left.
I want to talk to you about all of that, but I want to.
Well, I got arrested. I got arrested. And I'm 61 years old. I'm a dentist. I'm a mother of three. I'm
Okay.
a normal. I have a hearing problem.
Mm-hmm.
And my hearing aid was dead. They yelled and screamed at me.
Okay. Well, nobody's going to yell and scream at you today.
And they threw me in jail on a cement, and I stayed there all night.
So no, I want to go to my office. I want to go to the jail.
And then tonight, he threatened me, and I should have left, but I was scared.
And I want you to be able to tell me all about that.
I'm not scared. I just don't know what happened. He put that gun on my lips.
Mm-hmm.
I've just had a really bad last year, this year.
Okay. So like I said, I want to talk about every bit of that. So
I don't want to talk about it. It's just, everything was fine. All I was trying to do, he shot the gun, and then I was trying to shoot the lock off, and it must have hit him. And he locked the door, and he wouldn't open it, and I ran downstairs and got a hammer and beat the door and put my hand in there, and then there was blood everywhere.
can we please go to my office and talk about that? I hear everything you're saying. It's very important. I want to go talk to you in my office about that. It's warmer there. I'll get you water. And all this stuff you're having to tell me is very important. I'll tell you this, when I get to the office, I will have an answer. I'm here with you right now. I will make a phone call, have an answer, but I really want to talk to you.
Oh my God. I'm just a normal person.
Do you need shoes?
I don't want to go.
Okay.
I just want to go.
Well, I really want to talk to you. It's very important to me.
Why can't we just talk
because this is going on. You know, you've seen me and my partners here for a few minutes now, right? So I'm gonna be very honest what we're doing. Because it's a scene, I have to process, know what's going on. So I had to write a search warrant for the house, because I can't do that on consent under these circumstances. So what's about to happen is they're gonna have that signed by a judge, and then I have another friend that's gonna come in with a camera, and he's gonna take pictures of everything. And we're gonna go from there, and I don't wanna be here while he's doing that. And while he's doing that, me and you can go talk. I mean, you have a lot of important information to tell me. You have a lot of important information, like you're telling me, and I really want to know more about it.
Can I change?
What,
My clothes?
absolutely. Where are your clothes?
In the house,
Where at?
in my bedroom,
Is that the downstairs bedroom?
right here.
Okay, there's no guns or anything in the closet, is there?
Oh,
All right, come on. Yeah, we can. Breland,
yes, sir.
come on. So what's going to happen is this deputy here.
I got blood all over. I slipped.
That is fine. That is fine, ma'am. Well, nobody. So what's going to happen is.
Is he okay?
I'm going to get that information for you.
I just need all I do is try to.
Ma'am, it's okay.
No, it's not okay. I'm a mother.
Let's get you change clothes like you asked for, and then let's go have a conversation, and then we can know everything that's going on, okay? No. Breathe.
Please, hold on. I got it. All I need to know,
We got it.
I got you.
just let me know if he's okay.
I promise you.
I don't think he's okay.
By the time we get mom.
There was blood out.
It's okay. Look, let's go get you some clothes.
It's not okay.
We're gonna get you changed, okay? So we'll get you changed and then we'll worry about that.
Get the clothes out, make sure they're there, and leave them.
I'm briefly pausing, Judge, at 2 hours, 21 minutes and 7 seconds, and I'm gonna fast forward just a little bit while she's changing. I'm gonna hit play again at 2 hours, 27 minutes and 46 seconds.
Where are they at?
We're all right here.
What do they look like?
They're black.
Is this them? Maybe some what? What's this glasses?
They might be.
Okay, I'll go for it. You just stand back on the board, okay? They're black glasses? Alright. You would say that?
Not that. Can we get my,
Thank you, Suzanne.
can I get some water?
Where's your water out there?
You have water. Where's your water? And I have a lot more water at the office I can give you.
I think I'll put it in there.
Are they these? You ready? You can talk with me? So, we're gonna give you a ride in the car. You're not gonna be handcuffed, don't worry. It's the best practice for us, okay?
This practice.
I'm giving you a ride to the thing, but you're gonna be in a police car, you're not gonna be handcuffed. And I just don't want you freaking out until you're in a police car,
I am.
okay?
They threw me back there.
I'm sorry about what,
They slammed me against the wall.
that's not gonna happen today.
And then they threw me in a jail.
We're not going to the jail. We're not going to the jail. We're going to my office, okay?
How do I lock my door? Or somebody
Yes,
to be here?
everything will be done for you, yes. We'll probably, Yes, everything will be done. We're not, like I told you, I'm doing certain things right now, and we're not done yet. So I have to take pictures of the house and do some stuff while we're talking.
Is somebody calling his family?
Well, I have to get the information from you when we get there.
It's all in my cell phone.
We'll cross those bridges, okay?
I don't know what I want to do.
Just come, like I said, in the meantime, while everything else is going on, come talk to me, and then we'll come back and we'll handle everything else, okay? All right. So, will you meet me at the office?
Is he
handcuffs. I'm gonna find that out right now.
There was so much.
You don't have any weapons or anything on you, do you?
No.
Okay, good. Just general question.
It's my gun.
Yeah. All right, ma'am, you're gonna follow me up here to the
He
car.
just
I'm gonna
put that
take you
gun
over
to my
there,
lips and
okay?
said he was gonna shove it down my...
So, ma'am, what you're saying to me is very, very important, and I really want to know. We have to go back to the office to talk about that, okay? I really, really want to know what you have to say. Here you go.
All right, ma'am, you're gonna step up here with me in the car and we're gonna drive over to the sheriff's office, okay?
And I'll be right there. I'll meet you right there, okay?
That's at the jail that I went to.
No, it's not the jail. It's not the jail. We are not going to the jail. Just step into the back for me.
And I'm gonna stop the video at 2 hours, 31 minutes and 46 seconds.